Friends, welcome again to my channel Unscrambler, and this is part 2 of this Siamese Rubik's Cube. And in part 1 I will solve our these centers, and also I have create our this white cross. Now in this part I will solve this second layer, also this second layer, and also this complete portion. So if we hold cube like that, if we rotate, so this is our main point, so we can select this line, we will solve this. And also if we hold like that, so this is our main line, so any one line we can solve, we can check. So this is our big cross, so we can solve this line, and also we can solve this. So any one I will select. If I select this line, so I will hold cube like that. Now I will solve this portion. So in this position we will use simple 3 by 3 trick. First we will match orange and green edge piece in this position. So we will find our green and orange. Okay, so there is available green and orange edge piece. We will just bring it up. So this is fixed. Now if we check cube from this position, same like simple 3 by 3. So we need orange, green and yellow corner piece on this position. So we will find orange, green and yellow. So this is our orange, green and yellow. We will place this corner piece on this position and apply same simple 3 by 3 R prime, D prime, R, D, 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 R prime, D prime, R, D. So this is done, and its opposite side we need white, orange and green corner piece. So this is white, orange and green corner piece. This corner piece we need to fix on this position, but in this time we will use our left side algorithm. So our left side algorithm, L, D, L prime, D prime, 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 L, D, L prime and D prime. So now you can see in this side we have solved our this portion, and now we will solve this. So we will hold cube like that, and we will solve this, and our this line we will be complete. So same step, first we will find red and blue edge piece. Okay, so this is our red and blue edge piece, but in this position sometime we can face one kind of error. So first I will show you. Okay, so sometime we can face this kind of error. We have find our blue and red edge piece, but this is rotated. So we need to rotate this edge piece. We will match blue with blue, red with red. So when we find this kind of situation, we will hold cube like that, then bring this piece on this middle portion and apply same previous trick. Rotate this middle layer, then take out of the way this piece, then hide this piece on this position, and now we will again our step back, because we will must match our this center and also match this line. Okay, now we have rotated our this red and blue edge piece. So this is our red and blue edge piece. We will match just blue with blue and bring it up. So this is fixed. Now in this position we need red, blue and yellow corner piece. So first we will find red, blue and yellow. So we have available on this position. Just bring it down, take out of the way, bring it up, and now we will match in this position red, yellow and blue. So this is our red, yellow and blue. Again apply R prime, D prime, R, D, 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 R prime, D prime, R, D. This is done. Its opposite side we need white, red and blue corner piece. So this is white, red and blue. So we will use left side trick. L, D, L prime, D prime, L. Okay, so this is fixed. And now this step we have also complete. I mean we have complete our this line. And now we will solve this second layer and also this second layer. So this is our next step. We will hold cube like that. I mean this solved line we will place like that, I mean in vertical position. And now we will solve this second layer and also solve this second layer. So first I can select this. So this is our solved portion. We will solve just this portion. If we hold cube like that, so there is green, there is white. It's mean in this position we need green and white edge piece. So this is green and white edge piece. And in this stage we can find some problem. So now you can see white is not matching with white. So we cannot rotate this cube directly, because if we rotate this cube like this trick, so our this portion will break. So we will just place this piece in this position. Again we will replace with piece with any other, and then again we will place this piece on this side. I will show. We will place this piece on this side. Then we will apply our algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, double R, U, single R prime, U prime, and then M. M means middle. So now you can see we have fixed this piece, but this is rotated. And now we will replace this piece with any other edge piece. We can replace with this, with this, with this, and with this. When we replace with any other edge piece, so our this piece will rotated. So we can replace with this, hold cube like that, and again apply same algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, double R, U, R prime, U prime, M. So now our edge piece we have rotated, and also we have free our this edge piece. Now we can easily place this white green on this position. So place this edge piece on this position and apply same algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, double R, U, R prime, U prime, M. So in this position we have fixed and its opposite side. And now we will use left side technique. So now we will find green and yellow edge piece and fix on this position. So this is our yellow and green edge piece, and in this time we can see our piece is matching properly. We will just place on this position. And this is our left side. So we will apply left side algorithm. So our left side algorithm is U prime, L prime, U, L, double L prime, U, L, U, M. So this is also fixed. I mean in this position we have solved our this second layer. Now we will solve this second layer, because we have solved this, so its opposite we have this layer. So we will use again same technique. First we will fix white and blue edge piece on this position. So this is our white and blue. This is matching with this center. Just apply right side algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, double R, U, single R prime, U prime, and then M. So this is done. Now we will rotate cube in this left side, and we will fix yellow and orange in this position. So this is yellow and orange, and again we can see our piece is rotated. One time we will apply algorithm. We will place this rotated piece on this position, then we will replace with any other, and then again we will place on this position. So place this piece on this position, and U prime, L prime, U, L, double L prime, U prime, L, U, M. And now you can see this is fixed, but this is rotated. So we can replace with this edge piece. Again apply U prime, L prime, U, L, double L prime, U, single L, U, M. And now we have replaced our piece, and our piece we have rotated, and this time we will apply algorithm and our piece will fix properly, and our this step will be complete. U prime, L prime, U, L, double L prime, U prime, single L, U, M. Okay, now you can see we have left with this last layer from this position and also from this position, and our remaining cube we have solved. So in next part I will show that how we can solve this last layer.